Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another exciting journey into the past. The 19th century was a brutal time for all involved. Ireland was a world of extremes, luxurious country houses to one-room mud cabins. This engaging journey of Ireland offers new insights into the ways in which ordinary people lived during this dramatic moment in Ireland's history. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, because we got many happy memories coming out.
I'm from Ireland. We're naturally friendly and recognise a lot more people than we can remember the names of. We are proud to be Irish.
If you ever go across the sea to Ireland, maybe at the closing of your day, you can sit and watch the moon rise or the Claddagh, or see the sun go down on Galway Bay, just to hear again the ripple of the trout stream, the women in the meadow making hay, just to sit beside a turf fire in the cabin and watch the barefoot gossans at their play. Where the breezes blowing across the sea from Ireland are perfumed with the heather as they blow, and the women in the uplands digging praties speak a language that the strangers do not know. For the strangers came and tried to teach us their ways. They scorned us for being who we are. Well, they might as well go chasing after moonbeams or light a penny candle from a star. And if there is going to be a life hereafter, and somehow I'm sure there's going to be, I will ask my God to let me make my heaven in that dear land across the Irish Sea. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone, as she wheeled her wheelbarrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She was a fishmonger, and for sure 'twas no wonder, for so was her father and mother before. And they wheeled their wheelbarrows through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. Oh, she died of a fever, and no one could save her, and that was the end of sweet Molly Malone. But her ghost wheels her barrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh.
Thank you for watching, everyone. I think Ireland is a beautiful country with lovely people and incredibly rich history. If you have enjoyed today's video, please to subscribe, share with your friends. Take care and have a wonderful day.